everyone, day 6 is your first time at really using that paint editor tool in Scratch. So I'm going to talk you through it if you need that little bit of extra support. So first of all, it asks you to click the penguin sprite, so I'm going to do that now, and then move to the costumes tab, and then it asks you to click on the circle tool. So here's the circle tool just here. Now we want to make this circle orange, so I'm going to go up here. At the moment I've got the gradient selected, so I'm going to go right back here to the full colour mode, and then I'm going to drag this slider along until I find a nice orangey colour that I like. It also tells me that it doesn't need an outline colour, so I'm going to click here, and down the bottom here there's this little button, and that will get rid of the outline. Can you see it's now 0? So then it says draw a circle, so I'm going to draw a circle roughly where the nose is, and if you hold the shift key with your keyboard then it keeps the circle perfect like that. So there we go, I've got my circle. Now I'm going to go to the reshape tool, which is just here. And now I can select the individual points that are around this circle. So I'm going to select the bottom one because that's what the top one. That's the one it tells me to do. And then I'm going to press the delete button. And now you can see our little beak is starting to shape up now. It says click the bottom point. And it says change it to pointed. So that's this button here. And now I've got a little beak shape. I'm going to click off it and I'm going to get my pointer tool back. Then it says click circle tool again. Now this time I've got to set black fill and a 25 outline. So to get black, what I can do is I can turn the brightness all the way down to the bottom there, and that gives me that black fill colour. Then I want the outline to be 25, so I can type in 25, or I can use the numbers, the up and down arrows there, choosing which one I want to do. And it wants me to choose a blue outline, so I'm going to click there. Now this is a bit confusing because it's all black now. It's really hard to see those colours. So if I move that brightness all the way up again, then I can see my blue colour. So I'm going to drag it up until I find the blue. Now I'm going to stick with blue because that's what the instructions say, but I can choose pink or any colour I like. It's up to you which colour you choose for yours. I'm going to stick with blue. There we go. And then it says to draw the circle. So I'm going to hold down the shift key again on my keyboard, and there we go. I've got my circle. Next, it's asking me to draw another circle, but this time it's a white fill and no outline. So I'm going to click off again, and I'm going to go to white. Where's white? So if I turn the brightness all the way up and the saturation all the way down, you can see that my fill becomes white, and it says no outline. So I can click here and I can choose that no outline button again. So I haven't got an outline, and it says draw a small circle. So I'm going to draw a small circle just here. Then it says click the select tool. And it says hold down shift to click both circles. So I'm going to click that one, I'm going to hold down the shift key, and I'm going to click the second one. And now they're both selected. So if I press copy and then I press paste, I now get 2 copies of those eyes, so I can move it all the way over there and drag it into position. It's not quite right, so I'm just going to move it down a little bit, and there you go. And you can see that the penguin on the stage now has some eyes and a beak. Woohoo! I completed today!